Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. You know why you're here? You know why I'm here too. We are here to talk about DIY, Halloween costumes, also Halloween ideas, certain Halloween treats you could make, just all kinds of different DIY Halloween stuff to do, which includes costumes, snacks, party favors, decorations, pumpkins. I got it all right here for you in this one video. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you.
All the time.
Now guys, let's read the first comment from my last video, which was, I found Shane Dawson's biggest hater. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, I'm first. Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, Pauline. Yeah, I noticed that you were first, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. Now, thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in. This is so fun. I just love doing these Halloween seasonal holiday videos. I love them. I absolutely love them. And if you're asking yourself, well, Mandy, where's your DIY Halloween costume? Well, guys, you don't notice? I mean, I'm wearing it. I'm a YouTuber apologizing.
I know I should have done it, but I'm so sorry.
Which, guys, that marks one off of the list. There's your first costume. If you have a gray hoodie, well, you could be the same thing I'm going to be this. And it's real fun, y'all. Okay, my cat's about to bug us, so just forewarning. He loves being in videos. I'm sorry, y'all. Well, the stuff I'm going to be naming in this video, because, y'all, I am like, I've told y'all so many times that I am a broke, and I've got to use stuff around my house and everything else just to use for Halloween costumes or decorating ideas or treats or anything, and it's not always easy. So I'm here to put everything, bundle everything up in one video just for you guys. It is absolutely freezing in my house. Now, I had one heater when I moved in here, one of them little heaters, and that thing quit, and I cannot get another one until my check comes next week. So I don't know how to use a fireplace. I don't know how to use my fireplace. I don't know what to burn in it. I mean, I got trees outside, but I ain't got that wood or the burning wood or whatever it is. I mean, I guess I could throw some clothes in a notebook in there. Oh, who knows? He loves being in videos, so I'm sorry. All right, guys. So first, I'm going to do costumes. Now, these are going to be for kids, for adults, for anybody. These are fun costumes, and it should be stuff you got laying around your house. So first thing is what I like to call smarty pants. So if you've got an old pair of jeans, and you could throw on a pair of glasses if you want to, but if you have those little smarty candies, you could tape them or you could glue them to the jeans, and you're smarty pants. Another one, guys, that I really like, that I've really been thinking about doing, is an Instagram filter. Like that puppy one, you know, the one with the dog. Now you could either make your own ears, or you could buy you a set of puppy ears or whatever you want to do. I'm so sorry. Aki tries to ruin my life all the time, y'all. I'm so sorry, guys. He does this all the time. You're going to fall. Aki, you're going to fall. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is how I walk around my house 98% of the time, because he loves to be in my hood. I have to wear a hoodie because it's actually freezing in here. Y'all see him? Say hi to the camera, Aki. Guess he's shy today. Anyways, if you got like a black eyeliner or whatever, you can draw the little face on you. And you can also take a box and cut out a square, and it's going to look like a phone. And you can either glue or draw or whatever you want to do on the bottom to make it look like a phone and walk around with that thing. And you got the puppy face on it. You're an Instagram filter. You could actually do this with any of the filters. I'm sorry, y'all. Now, next thing, I've been this a couple of times. It's one of those old house moms that just, like myself. All you would need for that is you get you some rollers, and you put the rollers in your hair, and you also put your nightgown on along with some slippers and a robe, and carry around a coffee cup. There, you're a stay-at-home mom. Next thing is my favorite, and it's a bat. And it's going to be the simplest. I'm so sorry, y'all. Honey, you ran right into Mommy's face. Are you okay? Okay. Now, again, you could make the ears or you could buy you a set of bat ears, but that's all you have to do. You put you on a black outfit, and then you take you an old black umbrella that you are no longer using or whatever. You cut it in half, and you're going to put it on the back of your arm and stretch it down here, and when you open it up, it looks just like bat wings, y'all. Now, the next thing is a sea anemone. Is that what you call an anemone? Whatever. Anyways, you get those light pink balloons that are long, and you blow a bunch of them up, and you glue it to an old shirt. There you go. And I love these pun costumes. The next thing is really fun. It's called a ceiling fan. Now, what you're going to want to do is get you an old sweatshirt or whatever you want, and you write the word ceiling on it. And then you're going to make you a set of pom-poms unless you got your own set. You can make those with magazine clippings. You could just cut the magazine up in those little strips and put it on a straw or whatever, and that'll make your pom-pom. You're a ceiling fan, y'all. Next thing is 50. You could be 50 Shades of Gray. Get you an old shirt, and you know those things that you could pick up in Walmart or wherever when you're picking out paint colors, and it's like strips and it's got different colors of gray on it. We'll get you a bunch of those and glue to your shirt. Hey, you're 50 Shades of Gray. Next thing, and this is more for like couples, okay? The guy would have envy wrote on an old shirt or whatever, and the girl's going to have a green shirt on. That's another pun, y'all. I'm green with envy. Next thing you can do, this is a fun one, the breadwinner. Get you some loaves of bread. Get you those medallions, you know, like you win at the state fair or wherever, and you put it around your neck. There, you're a breadwinner. Next thing is a bubble bath. Yeah, you could be a bubble bath, guys. Put your shower cap on, get you an old shirt, get some white balloons, blow them up and glue them or take them to a shirt all around. You look like a big old bubble. You're a bubble bath. There's one more costume, guys, and this just about every YouTuber could be. It's called a clout chaser. Get you an old shirt, write the word clout on it, and get you one of the butterfly nets or the fishing nets and walk around with that. Guess what? You're a clout chaser. Now, I'm going to share with y'all a few tips for stuff that you use every year during Halloween. So, if you want to make you some DIY blood, what you're going to want is food coloring, the red food coloring, also water, and then corn syrup. You mix that together, there's your fake blood. Next thing, another cheap dinner is hot dogs. But have fun with it, guys. You put ketchup in the bun, and then you take you some onions, and you saute the onions. You cut a little slip off of the onion that makes it look like a nail. You put it on the hot dog, and you cut your creases where your knuckles is and right there at the tip on the hot dog. And it looks like a finger, and it's like a finger sitting in blood on the bun, and then the hot dog in there, and then the nail and everything. It looks just like a real finger. You can also do this with carrots. A fun thing that I like to do is make a dip, like a ranch dip or whatever. Put it in a big bowl. Get you 5 carrots. That's going to be your hand. And you're going to poke all these 5 carrots in there to make it look like the hand's coming out of the dip. And then you could use almonds, sliced almonds that look like fingernails, and you push them into the carrot. You cut a little slit in the carrot, shove that almond in there, it'll stay just put. There you go, carrot fingers. Next thing is those mud cups, and these are so easy to make, y'all. Get you a clear cup, like one of those cups that you put little baby plants in. Put you some chocolate pudding in it. Crush up some Oreos, put that on top. It looks just like mud with dirt on top. And then, add a little bit of decoration. You can take one of those oval-looking cookies and break them in half and stick down in there, write RIP on it, and it looks like a headstone. You could also take those gummy worms and stick in that mud cake. Man, oh man, I love them. Now, here's another tip, guys. Y'all can take just a go get y'all regular pumpkin pie at the grocery store. Get you some candy corn and licorice. What you're going to want to do. Now, some people like to put icing around the edge of it. Now, that's optional. You can do that if you got icing. If you don't, that's fine. Take the candy corn, make it into the shape of a smile on that pumpkin pie. Then you take the licorice, and you want to cut it like in 3 little pieces. First, you got to unravel it. So you just got one strand of the licorice. You take that one strand and you cut it into 3 parts, big enough to make the nose and the eyes on the cake. And you form them into the triangle. And you go. You got a pumpkin pie, a pumpkin face pie. Now, next is a Jell-O trick. I absolutely love this one. Now, you could do the one for adults, or you could do the one for kids. You can have them in shot glasses, or you can have them in regular clear cups for kids. You make you some Jell-O. Now, if you can't find white Jell-O, which I ain't never heard of white Jell-O, get you some white pudding and put in the bottom of that cup. And then you got to get different colors of Jell-O, y'all. You need orange, red, and yellow. You stack the white on the bottom, which that's probably pudding. Then you put a sliver of the orange, and then a sliver of the red, and then a big chunk of the yellow on the top. It makes it look like candy corn in the cup. And again, you could do those with shot glasses for, the adult drinks. Another trick, guys, to do with your ice during Halloween. If you want glow-in-the-dark ice, what you're going to mix is equal parts of water and tonic water, and you freeze it. And then under the black light, it glows in the dark. It's really neat. You could do these with your ice cubes. It's really cool. Or you could put those little plastic spiders in your ice, or whatever detail you would put in there. You know what I mean? Next thing is rubber gloves. Doctor gloves or rubber gloves if you got them at home. There are so many fun things you could do with those, y'all. Blow them up, throw a glow stick in them. There, you can light up your walkway. You can lay them on the table for decoration, whatever you want to do with them. You could also make snacks in them. You could take a piece of candy corn and put them in each one of the fingers, and that'll look like the nail, and then fill the rest of the bag up with popcorn. There you go, you got your hand. Now, at the dollar store, you can get these skeleton bones. Like, it's a whole skeleton, but you could take it apart, or sometimes you could buy them apart, and they're really cheap. But you could stick them in your garden, like stick them in your dirt, and it makes it look like a person's trying to come out, like a skeleton's trying to come out. Or if you got a wheelbarrow, you could fill that with dirt and then put it in there. Now, another fun snack that I like to do are broomsticks. The witch's broomsticks. You get you some pretzel sticks and you stick them in one of those little mini Reese's, and it looks just like a witch's broom standing there. Another fun thing, if you're having a lot of people over for a Halloween dinner or whatever, get you an old pair of jeans and an old button-up shirt, and you open up the button-up shirt, but you have to cut a slit in the old jeans all the way down from the thigh down to the legs, but don't open it all the way. And then you set your dinner entrees right in the middle of those slits, and then you add like a ham or something at the top to make it look like a head. Put you some skeleton hands in the shirt, and it looks just like your well, you don't want to know what it looks like. If I can find a picture of one, I'll show you. But it's still a fun idea. Fun things to do with pumpkins, guys. Now, you can clean these things out and do anything with them. You can serve a dinner in there. You could also serve candy for trick-or-treaters in those things. Do the throwing up pumpkin, where that ain't really a lot of work at all, y'all. All you got to do is cut them out and cut like 4 slits for the eyes right there, because, when you're throwing up, your eyes are closed. Or you could take those little mini pumpkins to serve individually to people and cut those, clean them out and everything, and serve you an entree or a little dish in those. Well, guys, I could go on and on and on about this stuff, but I think I'll stop right there. I think I gave y'all enough ideas, budget-friendly Halloween ideas that, I try to imply every year, which I have to because I'm broke. But I do hope you enjoyed these, and I hope it did give you some ideas to come up with more ideas. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any fun Halloween ideas, leave them down in the comments. Share them with everybody. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Teresa Roche. I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me, Teresa. I can't pronounce nothing. Teresa says, tell it like it is, girl. Well, thanks, Teresa. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout-out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my thumbs up. They're taking my likes. Well, that is my likes, ain't it? Well, they're taking my comments, my subscribers. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double-check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows the engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are like and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is turned on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. I also do a lot of spoilers. You damn sure don't want to miss none of them. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no dance spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen it. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Bye. We could be a cat in a hat. We could be a cat in a hat. Are you in? Oh, my gosh, your phone. Right, Aki's about to join us. Oh my goodness. Aki, do you have to ruin my life? Get in the hood. Are you in there? Aki, ever thought of... And then, there you go. You got a pumpkin pie. That cup. And then, you got to eat orange, red, and yellow. You stack the white one.